simple sentences with short of vowel, CVC word, and sight words. Sight words like this is a. Let's repeat. This is a. It's your turn, children. CVC words or consonant, vowel, consonant. Let's read, children. P, A, T, pot. H, A, T, hot. D, A, T, dot. R, A, T, rot. Pot, hot, dot, rot.
Excellent.
H, A, G, hug. L, A, G, log. D, A, G, dog. F, A, G, fog. Hog, log, dog, fog.
Excellent.
Let's read more. K, up, cop. T, up, top. M, up, mop. H, up, hop. Cup, top, mop, hop.
You're the best.
Children, let's read the word when it turns red. This is a pot. One more time. This is a pot. Now it's your turn. A pot. This is a hug. One more time. This is a hug. It's your turn. It's a hug. Good job. This is a log. One more time. This is a log. It's your turn. A log. This is a cob. One more time. This is a cob. Your turn. A cob. This is a cup. One more time. This is a cup. Your turn. A cup. This is a top. One more time. This is a top. Your turn. This is a top. This is a mop. One more time. This is a mop. It's your turn. This is a mop. Good job, children.